Hello everyone, good morning, or good evening, wherever you're watching this from.
Welcome to today's session. What is Python? Today we're talking about a topic that often confuses people know as Python. Many have heard of it but don't really understand what it is or why it's so popular. Python is a programming language, but what exactly does that mean? Let's break it down. Programming and language. A language is something we use to communicate. If you want to talk to someone, you use languages like English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, or Kannada. Programming, on the other hand, means giving instructions to a machine or computer. It's how we tell a computer what to do, step by step. So a programming language like Python helps us communicate with a computer through code that it understands and executes. When people start their journey in data science, they often ask, where do I begin? Most start by jumping straight into Python courses. But that's not the right first step. Before diving deep into syntax and commands, you should first understand what Python does and why it's used. Think of it this way. When a friend visits you, you communicate in a common language you both understand. In the same way, we communicate with machines using programming languages.
Print.
For example, if you want your computer to display a message, you can write print hello world or print hello Alan, good morning. You can write similar instructions in other programming languages like C++, Java, or Python. They all achieve the same goal, giving clear instructions to a computer.
This is just too much.
Now, should you master every concept of Python from scratch? The answer is not necessarily. You don't need to go deep into every Python concept. Instead, learn what's required for your specific goals, especially if you're building AI or data science solutions. When developing AI systems, you'll work with data collecting, cleaning, and analyzing it, and then running machine learning models. That's where Python plays a key role. So focus on learning Python libraries that support AI and data workflows like NumPy, pandas, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. Many people get misled into thinking they must master Python first to become successful. But in reality, understanding how to apply Python effectively is far more valuable. So Python is not just a coding language, it's a bridge between humans and machines. Learn what's relevant, apply it smartly, and let Python empower your AI journey.